Hi, I'm Phoebe. I'm the Waste Education Officer at Wingecarribee Shire Council. My favourite thing about Christmas is food, but I hate seeing good food go to waste. Today I'm going to share with you some tips on how to reduce your food waste over the Christmas period. Choose local food. It's good to plan your recipes around local produce or even things that you grow in your own garden. Buy less. Try to reduce your purchases over the Christmas period by writing a shopping list and sticking to it. Check out local food donation centres like OzHarvest. Freeze uneaten meals to stop food going off. No room left in your fridge or freezer? Why don't you try home composting or worm farming?